Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to give you a guide on variant 6. So I think this is the easiest variant till now. Yeah. So first we will go to the first quiz of chapter 1. So it's a really easy quiz, nothing to worry about. Only uh, the easiest part for this is a Yondu path in my opinion. The Hyperion path for some people it's really easy if you have a Doom because of Hyperion and you can just nullify the physical resistance like this. They have 90% physical resistance and 90% energy resistance. So really wrong fights in this path. I think the Yondu path is a really easy path. You can just ignore the third path because the Annihilus path is really hard for me and most people. I think when you're going for exploration, of course you have to do this path, but you can just ignore it if you are doing the completion because the really annoying defenders like Annihilus, Ultron can be really annoying with his evade, Wasp as well, Massacre with his SP2, then Iceman as well. So you can just completely ignore this path for completion. The easiest path for completion is the middle path. So I will start with it. The Yondu is really easy. Nothing to worry about. Like you can just bait a special one, hit him, then intercept, then again hit him. Okay, just do that, and it's a really easy fight. Then Abomination just bring a poison immune. Warlock you can use Mags, or yeah, Mags is the best option for this fight, or it's a really long. It's a really easy fight, nothing to worry about. Just be careful of his SP1, and if you're running willpower, just turn it off for this fight because then you will degen, and also you will be power drained. So you can just turn off willpower or use robots for this fight because willpower doesn't work on robots. Like, and there are very few robots uh, with villain tag on them, so I don't think they no, there are no villains with robots, so you can just use Max for this fight. Okay, then we have Apocalypse is the hardest fight on this path. Okay, I think like it for if you have a ghost, it's a really easy fight for me. I used Max for this fight, but with Max he gains 4 genetic uh, whatever it's called, he gains it and he's stun immune, and also if he hits on your block he will just stun you. So really annoying fight with Max for me. I tried it like 3 or 4 times and only I could do it itemless. Yeah, so really annoying fight. You can just use Ghost or even Max if you have the really good skills. I'm not that good. Yeah, so you can just if you have skills you can just use any villain charms. Yeah, it's not a really hard fight. Just learn how to bait his SP1 and SP2. It will be an easy fight for you. Okay, then we have Man Thing, just bring a poison immune, really easy fight. Then Rhino this guy is a really long fight because this guy has 45% armor plus this guy has crazy physical resistance as well in his kit. So a really long fight but a really easy fight as well. Just be aware of explosive personality. Long distance relationship isn't a really hard node though. So you can just a really long fight and be close to him so he doesn't go unblockable. Okay. Then we will go to the second quest of first chapter. Okay. So this is the Winter Soldier. So I think this is the easiest quest in this variant because like it's so cheesy and so easy game, easy life. If you have the armor break with villain charms, I used Venom for this part, and also I'm going to give you a tip which is really helpful. Okay, so if you have Venom, you just rank 3 him because if you use a rank 1 it becomes really boring. I use a rank 1 for this path and quest, and it was like 400 hits per fight. So really just rank 3 him. It is doable but it's really boring and tiring. So just use Doom with Mr. Fantastic Energy, or max dot 4 star Venom, or rank 3 5-star Venom for this path. Really easy path. Or in this course, just exception. Exception quest. Like you can choose any path on this. It's really easy. Okay, just be careful. Of Professor X falter. It's really easy path. If any question, any path you can do in this one. You can just be aware of the Symbiote Supreme. You can just use Doom for this fight with Mr. Fantastic Energy, because like if you use Venom, then he will just nullify all your buffs and give a massive burst damage to you. Okay, so really easy path for me. The easiest path is the Starkey path. It's really easy, and all fights are really easy in this quest. Okay, Killmonger can be annoying, but with armor breaks, really easy fight. Okay, then we will move to the first quest of the second chapter, which I think is Electro, right? Yeah, it is Electro. So for this, the easiest path is the hood path, and I think this is the easiest quest in this variant. No, this is a the last one I also said. This is also really easy quest, man. Honestly speaking, this variant is so cheesy. Every quest is so easy if you have the right charms. Okay, so for this one, you can just use a Rhino, Magneto, or Mole Man. These three are the best. Okay, best options for all. Like these three of them can do every fight in this quest. Like literally every fight of this quest. Okay, so Magneto is MVP. Then Rhino, awesome counterfeit, and Mole Man as well. You have seen some videos of Karate Mike using his Mole Man, and also a video of Seaton using his Rhino for this quest. It's really easy. The whole thing with Rhino, you can just hit the opponent on his block, and it's not more than a 30-second fight. Yeah, just be careful of Vision Arc's armor frostbite damage, and every fight is really easy. The variant, okay, so the Electro boss has a really high block penetration. So if you and the Max is the MVP for this. Like he's the best option, because if you do heavy attacks, he doesn't take that much damage. I use Mark for this. Like if you do a heavy, he will go unstoppable. He will regen 10% of his fight. After I started the fight with 30%, and I finished the fight with 100% health. So you just take like 5% of his health and regen 10% of his health if you have a rank for Magneto. So Max is the MVP for this fight. Okay, then we will move to the second quest of chapter 2, which is the Drax quest. Okay, so we move to the second quest of the second chapter. So this isn't really cheesy, but the quest is really easy. What a rhyme I made. Okay, so the Venom, the Venompool path is the easiest. Okay, for sure. The Sabretooth. The Sabretooth, be careful of. You can use Mysterio for the Sabretooth fight, or even Omega Red. He just easily out damages him. Okay, really good option for this fight. And now every fight is really easy in this quest. So yeah, it's really easy. Venompool, Ghost Rider, Mysterio can be tricky, but if you have Max, and Doctor Doom with Mr. Fantastic Synergy, or Venom as well, just heavy spam will be really good for this fight as well. He doesn't have such a high health pool, just the block penetration is just little bit high, but it's a really easy fight as well. Okay, every fight is easy in this quest. Then the Drax boss is a easy, so easy. Just don't let him hit you or you will just die. Or other than that, such a easy fight. You can just use any villain champion for this fight. Just so easy. If you have intercepting skills, I'm telling you, you can just do it this with a 1-star villain champion. I know there's no, but I'm just making a joke, okay? So don't. I know there's not a villain champ as a 1-star, okay? Then we'll go to the third chapter, first quest. Okay. So this is the hardest quest in this variant and the hardest boss as well. So for this, the easiest path for me at least, the Modok path people say is the easiest path, but it's a really hard path, man. Modok, annoying. I used Mag, really easy for me, but for most people it's really hard. Domino is a roadblock, man. Such a roadblock. If you even use like 30 revises, for some people you can just. It's so annoying. She has masochism and she gains like 15% of her health every time. If you can't even use marks for this such an annoying path, I think this is the hardest path in this quest. Okay, I'm telling you because I used like a lot of revive for this domino and still couldn't pass it. So for this, the easiest path is the Iron Fist, then the Ultron path. Okay, so be careful. One thing that I'm not saying that this is the easiest path definitely for any roster. If you have the right roster, you can choose the best path for you. Okay, best path for your roster. Sorry, and it's not mandatory that this is the easiest path. No, this is the hardest path. Okay. So if you have the right roster, for me the best path was this Iron Fist, then the Ultron. Like Ghost, Jesus, Colossus, and Hindmal as well. You just can 12 passive furies, and you just do massive damage. I used a 3-star for these both fights. She just dominated it. She just dominates these both fights. Okay, really good. Then this easy fight, Magneto has such a high block penetration, like 1000 per block. Okay, so just do intercepts and be careful of his unstoppable while doing his heavy. These two fights are the VTD and the Black Widow fights are really easy, very good. Sorry, very fast and very easy. Okay, Max is the MVP for this whole 2-3 fights. It's really good for him, man. Max so good now. Okay, then the last fight. Okay, so this is the hardest boss in this whole variant. I used like 5 revives for this. Okay, I used my 3-star ghost. She works really great. I also used my Omega Red and Magneto. Like if you're doing intercepts and you know how to do intercepts and you have point in willpower, and colligate. You just cheese through this if you have a Max or Omega Red and you know how to intercept very nicely. You can just cheese. You can easily solo this boss. Really easy fight if you have the skills to do intercepts and have colligate. And I'm saying colligate because if you even do it with Omega Head, he has 90% resistance, but the bleed damage still does 212 per tick. So it's really yeah. Sorry with that for that message. Okay, really 212 per tick is really high, yeah. So just don't. If you have, but still doable if you use Unit Man. He's the best champ in the game. You can just pass through any fight with him. Just do it like that. I used 5 revives for this boss, but did it finally. Like I was so happy when I defeated this boss. Then the last quest of this variant is cheesy as well. The same as the second quest, the Winter Soldier quest. It's a really easy quest. Sorry for the disturbance. My cat is making so much noise. Sorry if you're just sorry for that. Okay, just ignore that, please. Sorry. Okay. Then the last quest is the easiest part for this is a Sunspot. Then the White Magneto. Mojo can be really annoying. Just you can use Magneto or Ghost with Hood synergy. Okay, really good. These Gallantine 99 and Mojo are the hardest fights on this path. Other than that, everyone is so easy. So easy. You can just use Venom. It has the same nodes as a Winter Soldier quest. You can just heavy spam with the armor picks, with Doom with Mr. Fantastic's energy, or Venom. And the final boss is really easy. You can just heavy spam. This has the same nodes as a quest. The path, sorry. Okay. You can use Max for this. You can just use Max or Venom with Venom normally if you have a rank 4, because this guy has 400k health. If you use a rank 1, it will take 2000 hits, so I don't suggest you to do that. Okay, so Venom MVP for this. Magneto works also well. Doom and Mr. Fantastic's energy is also very good for this. Okay guys, so this was the whole guide for the completion of variant 6. Hope you guys like the video. If you liked it, please smash the like button. It really helps me from it really motivates me for making more guide videos, gameplays and crystal openings. Okay, so if you're new, please subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye. Sorry, bye. I always say goodbye. Bye guys.